Air pollution consists of chemicals or particles in the atmosphere that pose serious health and environmental threats. But what causes air pollution, and what does it mean for our planet? Some air pollution comes from natural sources like volcanic eruptions, wildfires, or allergens. But most air pollution results from human activities, such as energy use and agriculture. There are different types of human-made air pollution. When we burn fossil fuels to produce energy, they release greenhouse gases into the air. These emissions, such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases, trap heat from the sun in Earth's atmosphere, leading to a rise in global temperatures. This creates a cycle where air pollution contributes to climate change, and climate change creates higher temperatures. In turn, higher temperatures intensify some types of air pollution.
Condiciones geográficas, el aumento de la población y la calefacción artesanal son algunas de las causas que han convertido a la ciudad de Coyhaique, ubicada en la región de Aysén, en el sur de Chile, en el lugar más contaminado del continente.
Uno de los factores primordiales de la contaminación de esta ciudad se debe al tipo de calefacción que ellos utilizan. Ellos utilizan calefacción por leña y muchas veces la leña no es seca, y cuando no es seca es mayor aún la contaminación por material particulado.
So, what alternatives are there for heating? We have to know that three geothermal resources can be identified according to their temperatures. First, high temperature over 150 degrees. Water and steam are obtained at high pressures and can be used to generate electricity. Medium low temperature between 150 degrees and 30 degrees. It can be used for heating purposes and or hot water electricity production, vast industries and greenhouses and farms. Low temperature below 30 degrees is used for air conditioning, cooling and hot water for houses.
What is currently being done in both countries regarding this type of energy?
This is the second project we did in the Aysén region, the same region of the greenhouse. In this case, we went to the city of Coyhaique and used the water of an aquifer to exchange heat with a water-to-water heat pump and use it to heat a school. a small school where we replaced the previous heating method, which was burning wood inside the studying rooms. So we are very proud of this because the impact was a bit higher. This is part of the process. We had to do some geophysics in order to search for the aquifer, and after that we did the drilling and installed the heat pump. This project had quite a bit of impact because it replaced the previous heating mechanism, which was burning wood inside the classrooms. So in this case, we are actually very proud of this project because it has a huge impact on the kids' health. Finally, I wanted to show you this project, which is quite interesting for us because we are searching for the possibility to generate electricity with a medium to high enthalpy reservoir, and also to generate thermal energy in the process in order to heat a small town called Cuyuhuapi, located in southern Chile. The problem they have in this small town is the same one they have in many towns in southern Chile. They use wood to heat themselves. This is bad. It's bad for the forest and it's bad for the people's health. So we think the impact this project could have could be very high. So the way I see it, New Zealand and Chile, and southern Chile in particular, have very similar geological conditions and very similar climate conditions. So from the technical point of view, we will face similar difficulties. Similar difficulties for the use of the thermal springs and for the implementing of geothermal heat pumps. I would hope that from the cooperation of both countries.
En Nueva Zelanda también están presentes proyectos similares. En 2011, el aeropuerto de Christchurch, que se estima que atiende a 6 millones de pasajeros al año, contrató la instalación de una bomba de calor geotérmica para un sistema de calefacción y refrigeración. Este sistema enfría con éxito y en su mayor parte calienta el aeropuerto. Esto ha resultado en una disminución del 20% en el consumo de energía. Por otro lado, en Wanaka, Nueva Zelanda, una casa familiar construida en 2008 está siendo calentada actualmente por dos sistemas separados instalados por la compañía Next Energy Limitada. Uno que suministra calefacción por suelo radiante, calentando la casa, y otro que suministra agua caliente. Este tipo de energía mantiene una alta eficiencia energética y no se ve afectado por la temperatura del aire.
The most important conclusions are: the use of geothermal energy can be revitalized between Chile and New Zealand with commitments to reduce carbon dioxide emissions to mitigate global climate change. Chile and New Zealand have great potential to carry out technology transfer between research centers as CEGA and private companies, with the possibility of applying for projects with agreements for both countries. The authors wrote an opinion column regarding geothermal energy, focusing on low enthalpy energy at the residential level, since it is economically more feasible. It also takes advantage of the local geothermal resource. It needs a minimum of maintenance. Finally, it has no visual or environmental impact due to noise.